Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and if you are watching this video, then you are probably in search for a clutter-free life like myself. And that's why you're gonna love these baskets. It comes in a pack of 6, so you have plenty of storage with this set. They're strong. I was able to put an 8-pound weight, and I didn't have any bending of the basket. They're great for crafters and they're smaller items. They would work perfect on a desktop. I really like that the lids make them stackable. It's so convenient when you're trying to store things or you have a space that you're trying to make sure that you can use at max capacity. I really like it in my bathroom. I have some smaller shelves that almost seem like they would fit a shoebox. And the baskets are large enough to where you can store away all those things that you want to hide, but you also use daily. I like the lids, again, because it's really easy to get into the basket. My son has no issues with taking the lids off, so we can use them for his smaller toys like his cars. I'm always searching for ways to organize, and I'm super happy with this set of baskets. And that's my point of view.